It does
She
not matter.
casts a spell over audiences as the magical star of the hit Disney Channel show Wizards of Waverly Place. Now actress and singer Selena Gomez is making a splash on the big screen in the new movie Ramona and Beezus. Take a look.
Selling lemonade?
Oh yeah, just helping out my little sister.
Hello, delicious lemonade, anyone?
Yeah, I'll have one.
You will?
Yeah.
Well, that'll be $1, please. Exact change, pervert.
Ramona, Henry doesn't have to pay. Here.
Oh, Beezus.
Thank you.
Beezus. Shh. Beezus. Beezus, I won't taste good.
Oh!
No repeat business there. Selena Gomez joins us live. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Tell me that was a stunt bug, because I can't go to bed thinking that you actually ate a bug for that movie.
That was actually a raisin, and they injected air into it, so it kind of floated on top of it.
Oh, so interesting, the Hollywood magic.
Hollywood.
So this is kind of a transition role for you.
Yes, this is my first feature film, and it's a different character than my show, so it was really fun for me.
And the movie opens tomorrow, and I'm sure we've got a big crowd here in the studio. We've got a big crowd standing outside of our studio.
I hope they see it.
A lot of people will go see it. And what it talks about is, apparently, part of the story is your dad's out of work.
Yes.
And the kids are looking to try to help make some money.
Well, basically, I mean, these are based
Some schemes.
on Beverly, yes, based on the books by Beverly Cleary that have
Right.
been around for like 50 years. So we took 7 of the 8 books, which deal with, you know, parents with financial issues and kids fighting and sisters fighting, and all we do, you know, in the end of the day, what really matters is that we have each other, and it's really sweet.
I remember these books. Oh man, you're too young to remember them because they're
No,
not.
I read them in 3rd
Did
grade.
you?
Yeah.
Really?
Excellent.
You also just wrapped up a film.
Yes.
Oh yes, this is with Leighton Meester.
And Katie
She's a
Cassidy.
Gossip Girl.
Of course.
Yeah, and who else?
And Katie Cassidy and Corey Monteith from Glee.
I mean, these are like it's. I mean, this is like a who's who of the hottest young stars in
Well, thanks.
Hollywood today. No, it's, seriously.
It was really fun. It's called Monte Carlo, and we got to shoot that. It's like a romantic comedy, and it's really fun. And it's about these 3 girls who go on an adventure in Europe, and they end up getting all...
So it's in Monte Carlo and not in a Monte Carlo car.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah, good thing they should
I
say.
had to think about that.
Selena, how important is it to you, if at all, you're at the age of 18 now. Now, a lot of, we watched with Britney Spears when she was 18 at Radio City. All of a sudden, she took her clothes off. Miley Cyrus seems to have found the stripper pole. How important is it for you not to do those things?
I think that each person has a different view of their career, and I think that each people vision how they want their career to play out.
What's
and
yours?
What?
What's your vision of how?
My vision, I am 18, but I still feel like I'm 15 or 16, so I'm kind of still awkward, and I don't really know about all that yet, so I don't know, but I just think that everybody
is that because of your mom? Because your mom is here, and she keeps you under lock and key?
Yes. I mean, yeah, I guess that's probably right to say.
But you were saying that you don't go to the Hollywood places and the clubs and all that kind of stuff.
No, I don't. I don't like that. Whenever I'm on a break, why would I want to get dressed up and go somewhere? I just want to be in sweatpants.
Sure.
Right, because we're waiting for invitations. We want to go. We
Yeah.
just can't want invitations. Yeah, I mean, what-
Please.
Well, because, you know, and with, you know, there's so many stories about young stars who, you know, they succumb to the temptation. And, I mean, you look at Lindsay Lohan, she's sitting in jail right now.
Well, it's very unfortunate, but I wish her all the best, and I pray for her.
What do you see yourself doing down the road? Like, can you look at an icon in Hollywood and say, this is the kind of like path I want to go down, like a Meryl Streep, or you know?
Yeah, I can only wish.
Do you want to be a serious actress?
I would love to mirror Rachel McAdams' career. She's my favorite actress. She's very classy, and you never see her in the public eye too much.
That's very true. Have you met her?
No, I'd have a heart attack.
All right, so let's move through your career. Wizards of Waverly Place. That's on every day, 7 times a day in my house. I don't blame you. I credit you. It's it. This is it. The last season.
Well, we're not sure just yet. I mean, we don't want to say it's the end, but we are doing a 4th season and a movie, so I'm excited.
Plus, you got a new album.
I know. I'm so happy.
Selena Gomez in the Scene?
Yes. My second album is called A Year Without Rain, and it's a lot different. It's older in a more youthful way, and it's kind of got a really, you know, fun beat.
I thought your song Naturally was older in a youthful way.
Yeah, but that's exactly, we mirrored that one song and put that into this entire record.
How does that go, Brian?
It comes naturally.
You were giggling at Juliet's impersonation.
It's so good.
You love
Yeah, okay.
It makes me happy.
You mentioned a moment ago you're 18, but what you didn't mention is today is your birthday. Elizabeth, come on out here.
Oh, no.
At great expense we have brought to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, the crowd, too. Look at that. Wait, so you're working on your birthday?
Yes, I am, but that's okay. I get cake everywhere I go.
Are you going to be having a party later?
No, I'll be on an airplane.
Okay. Well, my daughter told me
Got
that
your car service to take you out of here as a special gift.
Well, thank you very
very-
much.
it's called a taxi, and it's right out for it.
Can't wait to try it.
Just hold up your tiara.